Hey there, in this video we want to talk about the Lovable pricing. So here under pricing you can see the different plans of Lovable, and now we want to talk about all the features you get on each plan. But before we do so, remember you will find my partner link to Lovable down in the video description, and when you click on it, it will allow you to sign up for free and you will land on the free plan, and then you can start using Lovable, and at the same time you're helping me and my channel to make more of these videos. So thank you a lot if you're using my link down below. And yeah, this is Lovable and this is the pricing plan, and you have three different plans: the free plan, the pro plan and the business plan, and you have one extra, the custom plan, the enterprise plan. But here you need to book a demo with their sales team, and this kind of exceeds the basic pricing here because this is custom for bigger organizations. But let's start with the free plan. So once you clicked on the link down below and you sign up, you will get 5 daily credits, and you can use them, and you can use up to 30 credits per month. And it's kind of nice from them that they're giving you this, because you can also invite unlimited collaborators, so you can work together in a team even on the free plan, which is kind of nice. And when you have a project, for example a website or an app, at the end you always want to publish it, and therefore you will get a lovable.app domain. But once you want to get professional and you need more, then you need to upgrade to the pro plan, because here you can connect custom domains. For example, I don't know, juliansapp.com without the Lovable in the domain name. And it will also remove the Lovable badge. So on your application or on your website, there won't be a badge saying made with Lovable, which is also kind of nice. Before we go through all the individual features, I want to explain you a little bit more the concept of credits, because here on the next plan, you can decide how many credits you want per month. For example, 100 credits, 200 credits, 400 credits, and so on. But not all credits are created equal, so to say, because Lovable, depending on the action you want the AI to do, charges you different amounts of credits. So for example, if you have like a very simple prompt, making the button gray, then it will just change the style of the button, of course, and it will charge you 0.5 credits because it's an easy task. But once it gets more complex, for example, remove the footer or add an authentication so users can log in, it can charge you something between 0.9 credits and up to 1.2 credits, depending on the prompt you give the AI to work with. And when you have very complex tasks, for example, build a landing page with images, it can use up to 2 credits. So just be aware of it. It's because in other vibe coding platforms, for example, Base 44, usually 1 credit is 1 credit for 1 prompt, but here it's a little bit different. It charges you depending on the complexity of the task. Then you have credits rollover, which is also very, very fair. So when you don't use your credits in 1 month, or you have like, let's say 30 credits left over in July, then it will roll them over to August. And then you have 180 credits in August, because you also have this grant included. And on-demand credit top-ups. So when you're working with Lovable very intensely, for example, in September, and you need an extra credits for developing another app or another landing page, then you can also just top it up and buy like a credit package. And you get unlimited Lovable app domains. So here you just have 5 Lovable app domains, like dummy domains from Lovable, but here you can have unlimited. So you can basically build unlimited apps or websites on the pro plan already, which is nice. And if you want to have things professional and you need a custom domain for your website or app, then you can also connect your custom domain, and you will get user roles and permissions. So for example, if you work in a corporate or in a team, you can grant access in different roles and they have different permissions. For example, they can publish apps or they can make changes in the code or not, and you can manage this here. So the pro plan is designed for fast moving teams building together in real time. And of course, as said, you can remove the Lovable badge. And the next plan, once you want to grow and you want to have advanced controls and power features for growing departments, so your company is getting bigger, you have different departments, then you might want to upgrade to the business plan, because here you have a team workspace, you have role-based access from the get-go, and you have internal publishing, which means you can publish websites that are only accessible to logged-in workspace members. So you can build, for example, internal dashboards, which can only be accessed by your team. And each team member has also the possibility to have personal projects. So these are projects that are not visible to the other members in your workspace. So if I work in this department, for example, I can have my own dashboard without everyone else to see it. And you have SSO, which stands for single sign-on, so you can sign on once and you have access to all the applications. You will also get a security center and you will have design templates, meaning, for example, for your organization, you have a design template and then all apps or all dashboards use the same colors, the same fonts, so it fits your corporate identity. Exactly. So this is the business plan, and once you grow out of this, you can transition to the enterprise plan, because this is built for larger organization needing flexibility and scale. And here you need to book a demo, and then you can talk to a sales rep from Lovable, and he or she will explain you the details on this plan. You get volume-based credits pricing, same as here, I guess. And you have dedicated support from Lovable, which is of course quite nice to have, because then you can directly talk to someone from Lovable. You have like an onboarding service and you have design systems, and you get SCIM, which stands for System for Cross-Domain Identity Management. I also had to Google it. It says basically when a new employee joins your corporation, then it automatically creates their account in all assigned apps. So you don't have to sign on in each application from the company, so because then you can just create one account and it will automatically get access, this user, to all apps or websites from your organization, which is quite nice. Yeah, and you will get support for custom connectors and publishing controls, so which app should be published, sharing controls, so you can also control which apps or websites is shared, and audit logs, so basically you can monitor what your people are doing in your organization, and you can also invite them via this CSIM. And for additional or custom enterprise functionalities, you can also contact their team directly and they will help you. So this is basically their enterprise plan, and you will have an individual price based on your organization, but these are basically the functionalities you will get. So yeah, this is the pricing plan of Lovable. You have basically 3 different plans, and the enterprise plan, which is kind of a custom plan. You will always start with a free plan. You will have my link down in the video description, so thank you a lot if you're using my link to sign up. And last but not least, I want to show you what it actually means to use a credit. I mean, we saw it here that different action take different amounts of credits, but let's see inside Lovable how it actually works. So here we are in my Lovable account, and I see that I am on the free plan. It's just one member, me, and I have 5 credits left. And now if I give Lovable one prompt, it will deduct some credits from this. So this is my website, julianweber.com, and I just said, please redesign this homepage for me, and I hit send, and now the AI will get to work, and later we can see how much credit it cost us. So now the AI of Lovable is done. I said, please redesign this homepage for me, and we can take a look. So this is the new homepage it has built based on what I gave it as an input. So this is quite nice, and now we can take a look how much credits were used for this. So here, this is my prompt, and this is the answer from the AI. And down here, when you click on the 3 dots, you will see the credit usage. So for creating this homepage, 2.5 credits have been used by Lovable. And then there was a different image, so it was not me. So I said, please use my image. And this took a little less credits from me. So for uploading the image and replacing it, it only used 1 credit. So I should be left with 1.5 credits for today. So when I click on it, I can see, okay, this is my free plan here, and I used already 3.5 credits. So for today, I have 1.5 credits, and it will reset in 13 hours. So always at midnight. And yeah, when I'm not happy with this, and then I can upgrade to the pro plan and get more credits. And yeah, this was the pricing of Lovable and how credits work. And if you want to get started with Lovable, don't forget, you will find my partner link down in the video description. In return, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always eager to answer them. And if you want to get started with Lovable, here's my tutorial on how to use Lovable. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.